This is a quick tutorial on how you can use the Colleague AI Agentic Grading Feature, which can help to accelerate feedback cycles and increase our capacity as teachers, as it can grade up to 500 handwritten or typed assignments in the background while we work on other important tasks. All you have to do is provide the Agentic Grading Feature with some instructions. So let me show you how. Click on the Agentic Grading icon and it will ask you about the assignment. Once you answer this question, you'll have a few places to work from. You can interact with the chat, which will support you if you want to have dialogue with the AI about your grading process. And there's the AI grading wizard. This is your AI grading agent. Click Continue Setup. This will open all of the fields specifying your instructions. You can give it a title, and then you can write a description, or you can upload the worksheet or assignment itself. And there are several ways that you can approach the rubric section. The first way you can approach the rubric section is simply ask the chat to help build a rubric based on the skills you've been working on. Since Colleague AI is specifically designed for these educational purposes, it builds really strong rubrics based on the specifications that you provide to the chat, and you simply need to copy and paste its output into the rubric section. Another way that you can include a rubric is by clicking Add File. You can attach from your local drive or your Google Drive or your Microsoft OneDrive. Lastly, you can upload directly from the Colleague AI Documents section. Earlier today, I used the rubric generator to create a rubric for this assignment, which automatically saves to the My Documents section in Colleague AI, and you can upload that directly by clicking My Documents. After that, you'll choose a feedback style, and you can also add any advanced or additional grading instructions. For example, you can direct the agent to only use asset-based language in its feedback, or maybe you want to specify to the agent how it can give partial credit. Then you'll upload your students' assignments. You can upload from your computer, you can upload from your Google or OneDrive, or directly from your learning management system like Canvas, Schoology, and Google Classroom. After that, click Start Batch Grading. This will begin the process, and your agent will start working for you. You can follow the agent's progress by clicking View Details, which will show you where it is in its process. Your agent-graded assignments are located in the Grading History tab in the top left-hand corner, and you can see here that this assignment is still being graded, whereas my Students to Kill a Mockingbird paragraphs have been completed. Once grading is finished, you click on the assignment. This will open a preview window, giving you a deep insight into each of your students' work. You can zoom in on each student's submission. You can see student-facing generated comments based on the feedback style you selected earlier. And, of course, you can see the rubric breakdown. Now, in the top right-hand corner, there are some important menu options. You can add more submissions. You can regrade all of these assignments. Or you can download the results, which creates a really nice polished grade report. By clicking Grading Details, you can get a much broader summary of your student's work and its grade distributions. If you're wondering about what next steps might be appropriate, you can always go to Claire AI and ask to refine instructional plans or brainstorm pedagogical strategies and learning activities based on these results, which is pretty amazing stuff. And I hope that this supports you in supporting your students.